Need a reliable socket set that won't disappoint during important repairs? In this review, we'll reveal the 5 best mechanic socket sets available today. We'll cover ratchet performance, metric and SAE compatibility, construction quality, and real-world usability, helping you find the perfect set for your needs. After watching, be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices of each product. Let's get started. Number 1. Craftsman CMMT45309. Missing the right socket can turn a quick repair into wasted time. The Craftsman CMMT45309 packs 262 pieces into a 3-drawer VersaStack storage box. You get SAE and metric sockets, combination wrenches, spark plug sockets, extension bars, and accessories for many repair jobs. The 90-tooth ratchets need little swing space, which helps in tight engine bays. The polished chrome finish helps resist rust and makes cleanup easier after greasy work. You'll spend less time hunting for tools because each drawer keeps parts organized. The wide selection covers routine car work, motorcycle repairs, and home projects. The fine-tooth ratchets feel smooth in cramped spaces. The full kit is heavier than smaller sets, so it's better for a garage than for carrying around. Niceness set is perfect for home mechanics, DIY car owners, and anyone building one of the best mechanic socket sets for regular repairs. Buy this mechanic socket set if you want a large, organized tool collection. Skip it if you need a light travel kit. Its biggest strength is the broad tool selection with practical storage. Number 2. DeWalt DWMT73803. Small toolkits often leave you searching for the missing socket. The DeWalt DWMT73803 includes 168 pieces with both metric and SAE sockets. It covers 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drives, plus hex keys and several specialty tools. The chrome vanadium steel construction adds strength for repeated use. Its molded carrying case keeps each tool in place and makes transport much easier between jobs. This set works well for routine vehicle maintenance, bike repairs, and household projects. The compact case stores easily on a shelf or in a truck. The ratchets provide smooth movement in tight spots. Since it doesn't include a 1/2 inch drive, it isn't the best pick for heavier fasteners. This kit is the smart fit for DIY users, new mechanics, and anyone who wants one of the best mechanic socket sets without buying a huge collection. Buy this mechanic socket set if you need a balanced kit for everyday repairs. Skip it for heavy-duty work. Its biggest strength is solid coverage in a compact, easy-to-carry case.
Number 3. Boen 225-piece mechanic tool set. A missing drive size can slow down even a basic repair job. The Boen 225-piece mechanic tool set includes 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive tools with both SAE and metric sockets. You also get deep and standard sockets, extension bars, adapters, and 90-tooth ratchets. The sockets are made from chrome vanadium steel for strength and wear resistance. Everything fits into a heavy-duty storage case with labeled slots for quick access. The 3 drive sizes give you more flexibility for cars, motorcycles, and light truck repairs. The fine-tooth ratchets need less room to turn fasteners in crowded spaces. The sturdy case helps keep every tool organized after each project. The full kit takes up more storage space than smaller sets, so it's best for a workshop or garage. This set suits DIY mechanics, home garages, and anyone building one of the best mechanic socket sets for long-term use. Buy the Boen mechanic socket set if you want many socket options in one case. Skip it if you only handle small household repairs. Its biggest strength is the balanced mix of variety, quality, and durability. Number 4. DeWalt DWMT81534. Large repair jobs need a tool set that covers almost every fastener. The DeWalt DWMT81534 includes 205 pieces with 1/4 inch,
3/8" and 1/2" drive tools. It offers SAE and metric sockets in both standard and deep styles. The chrome vanadium steel construction provides durability for repeated use. The molded case keeps each piece secure and makes it easy to find the right tool. This kit handles oil changes, brake work, suspension repairs, and many garage projects. The wide socket selection reduces trips to buy extra pieces. The ratchets feel smooth and work well in tight engine spaces. The larger case needs more shelf space than compact toolkits. This set is a great choice for serious DIY users, home mechanics, and anyone building one of the best mechanic socket sets for long-term use. Buy this if you want excellent socket coverage for many repair jobs. Skip it if you need a compact travel kit. Its biggest strength is the strong balance of variety, quality, and durability.
Number 5. Vevor Mechanics Tool Set 205 pieces. Loose or missing sockets can make repair jobs take much longer. The Vevor 205 PC Mechanics tool set includes SAE and metric sockets with 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives. It comes with both deep and standard sockets, extension bars, ratchets, and useful accessories. The tools are made from chrome vanadium steel for strength and wear resistance. A molded polyethylene case keeps the pieces organized and protects them during storage or transport. This set handles many common jobs on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and equipment around the house. The 3 drive sizes give you flexibility for both small and larger fasteners. The organized case makes it easy to grab the right socket and put it back after use. The case is fairly large, so it needs a bit more storage space than compact kits. This set is best for DIY mechanics, home garages, and buyers who want one of the best mechanic socket sets with wide socket coverage at a practical price. Buy Vevor Mechanics Tool Set if you want a complete set for regular maintenance and repairs. Skip it if you only need a few basic tools. Its biggest strength is the broad socket selection across all 3 drive sizes. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.